You gonna be doing it, man? I'm about to do it.
No.
Shit.
So man, that would.
Okay, so we just got out of the store from the good old bestest of the buys.
Oh yeah.
And the guy, he has made a purchase.
Yes.
Guy, do you want to tell him what you have done purchased?
I have received, bought the Skylab 3-axis smartphone gimbal. As you can see, joystick control, 150 hours battery life. Kind of suck, but at least they give you 2 hours. No, 2 sets of batteries, so that's cool. And yeah, you know, joystick controls and all that, and it's, but I don't say it up on the box, but they got a remote. Nope, not a remote. It's an app with facial detection and auto follow, so it's gonna follow your face through the app. I can adjust the settings. Here's a little case.
Looking quite nifty.
Skylab. Let's see what you got there for us. Dude, it smells new. Kind of smell like feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's metal. It's kind of soft. Ooh, we got a little rubber on it. Okay. Got some stuff in here. A little warranty card. You got the little USB.
The USB.
Yeah, good old USB. Up in that jam. I don't know how to save my batteries right yet, but
Forget a manual.
shoot, I kinda wanna take this jam out. Shoot, I seen those videos, ain't no manual.
Literally?
I can do it. They got the little slip ring mechanism so I can make 360-degree pans. And they'll never get caught. So, about to put this on now. It feel pretty sturdy too. Nice little aluminum.
Aluminium.
Thanks for correcting me. It's hot.
See, you went and made the cool purchase. I just got a fan for my PC.
But show on that picture though.
A picture.
The picture of the awesomeness that as soon as you start the fan, what it's gonna do for you.
Oh wait, yeah. You right. I have to actually show everybody the PC because I haven't showed it anywhere.
Being shy. I can't open it. Where my keys at? I'll show you how you open this mother trucking plastic. Not when the mother trucking come on. And I get the old knife.
Dude, I just burped and got like really hungry.
Man. Let me shoot them. What's that place called? That little sushi place smelling. Sure like helping. Smelling too good.
That place smelling so good right now.
This plastic, man, is winning. But I ain't going though. I'm chilling for a little bit.
Alright, we're gonna get that charged up.
Excuse me.
Head to the house. Dude, I want Dixie Queen.
Show the brick.
The brick is how we're keeping stuff charged.
Oh yeah.
For the drone, whatever. Got that power.
Oh yeah. Any which way you want it.
So yeah, back home or food, wherever. I don't even know if I'm focused. But alright.
Let's see what happens.
Batteries.
Yeah, got a cute little charger, I guess.
Looking so sick. Yeah.
It was neat, man.
It was nice looking.
It was shit.
Let's just ride around. Like I said, that's bad. Food.
God damn. Them bowls be convenient. Man, them bowls. $10, $11 too, ain't it? Hey, what's the lunch bowl cost?
I don't even know.
We should get a lunch bowl one day.
Isn't it like the biggest one they got?
I don't know. I just know it's cheaper.
Yo, so fan install time. Got this Thermaltake fan to go in the Thermaltake case. So yeah, let's go install a fan. Computer. I can't open the door. I don't know why I did that. There's a light behind me. In my computer, I have a AMD FX 4300, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a pit bull, and a GTX 950. It's one of the super clock ones. So, oh my god, I just hit it. I just hit it. Other one? Okay, yay. Now we have light. Second. Oh, hey. Gun. A horrible mess. See, I want to take it back out and get this freaking CPU power going back behind the motherboard, but I'm being too lazy, and I think I'm probably just going to get another case. And I need to dust this thing out already. Anyway, let's not get back in that. Let's go ahead and get this fan installed, because that's what you came for, right? Terrible. Anyway, now we're going to test and see what it looks like with the new fan. Light, excuse me. Please work. Please. Please. Are you noisy?
Nah, it's not.
Yeah, I need to. Okay. Let's try this again. No, wait, yeah, I hit the button. There. Nice. Done. Finito. Not too loud. Not too much of a difference. Well, really. Alright. Dang, hold on. Well, try to balance the focus in the middle.
Right.
Yeah.
That's been it.
Yes.
It's been something.
It's been some, you know, we got some things accomplished. A gimbal was bought.
It was set up, it was put together, and it was quite successfully.
Looks pretty good. You guys be seeing some of their footage some point in time.
Probably tomato tomorrow.
Tomato. So he's about to head out of here because it's freaking late, and we gotta
get ready for this.
Yeah, got a photo gig tomorrow. Yeah, gotta go. Wait, yeah, gotta go take pictures at a basketball tournament at a church tomorrow. It's like 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna try to go to sleep. Yeah, adventure. So you guys will be there with that. You'll see some of that. So, all right.